Hi, I'm Annette from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to show you how to make absolutely delicious homemade pasta salad.
Money Smart Family.
So the first step in the pasta salad is to prep all the ingredients. This is tricolor rotini. It's all cooked and ready to go in a large bowl. Over here are cooked chickpeas. You can use canned or you can cook them yourself. Here is cooked yellow pepper. You can use it cooked or raw. This is cooked red pepper. You can use it cooked or raw. These are olives, and I actually sliced them up myself. Here is some green onion already chopped, and actually I store this in the freezer so it's ready when I need it. Here is a white onion that's diced up. And here are tomatoes from our daughter Becky's garden. So they're organic cherry tomatoes that I cut up. And this is the homemade Italian dressing. It's time to assemble the pasta salad. First are the chickpeas. I started with 1 pound of pasta, and it's probably going to weigh 3 or 4 pounds by the time I'm done. Next is the yellow pepper. That's going in. Now the red pepper. Next are the olives.
And we'll put the recipe on our website and give you all the quantities.
Yes. Next are the green onions. These are one of the few things you don't have to cook first before you can freeze. Now the white onion. The last ingredient, the cherry tomatoes. Oh, that looks so good. I want to eat it right now. We're ready to dress it, and it's good to let it sit in the dressing. You can even do that overnight. It's in oil and vinegar.
We should get them in real close so they can smell it.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh my gosh. You can make it a day or two in advance.
I got it. That looks good.
And finally, add salt and pepper to taste. And the last thing you do is taste your delicious pasta salad. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious.
Make sure you go to moneysmartfamily.com/recipes to see all of the ingredients and details for this recipe. And please leave a comment. We love hearing from you. And maybe subscribe to our channel if you like what you see and watch these playlists next.